Hello, and welcome back to DezignWorks Academy. In this video, we'll be using our Feature Wizard tool to automatically create some surfaces and features. Here's how that works. First, we tell the wizard where to look. It's going to identify the surfaces and features from the mesh. Then we tell the wizard what we want it to build, and then it builds it right to our SolidWorks tree. It's as simple as that. So let's get started. What we're going to do first is open our Mesh Features tab. We need to select a plane to start. This plane tells the wizard where to start looking. It will look up from the one that you select. So we are going to use the front plane. Then we go back to the Mesh Features menu and choose Feature Wizard. We are going to start with building the wavy surface first. Under Search For in our Feature Wizard menu, we are going to only check the Surfaces box. This tells the wizard that we only want it to look for surfaces through this search. It will find and identify each surface on the mesh. So now we click Start Search. In the box labeled Detected Features, we see a list of features that the wizard has found. The surfaces in that list and on the mesh will be labeled with corresponding colors. Let's scroll to the bottom of our list and find the wavy surface and select it. We see that the wavy surface is now colored pink, which means we have selected that data to use. Now we go to our Mesh Features menu and select Surface. We now see the yellow preview of our wavy surface built, so we are good to move on to the native features. Go back to the wizard menu and click Reset Defaults. We are going to tell the wizard we want it to look for extrudes, cylinders, and cones, and stay away from surfaces. So now that we have told the wizard what to look for, we choose our directional plane again, and then click Start Search again. As the wizard is identifying the features it's found, you can keep up with the status of the search under the window. One thing to note about the wizard, you will see that it groups the types of features together, making mass creation of features easy and clean. Now that the search is over, we are going to scroll to the top of our list and hold Shift while we select the first feature. Now scroll down to the bottom of the list, hold Shift, and click the last feature. This action selects all of the features that the wizard has found. Now we click Create Features. Once we see our yellow previews, we can click the green check in the top right corner to write it out to SolidWorks. Now sit back and watch as the wizard does all the work for you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.